Are you ready to delve into the diverse world of psychology? This video explores the fundamental theoretical approaches that shape our understanding of human behavior. Discover how these perspectives offer unique insights into the complexities of the mind. The biopsychological approach examines how biological factors influence behavior. It highlights the role of the nervous system, hormones, and genetics. This perspective emphasizes the biological basis of psychological processes. Understanding the brain is crucial in this approach. It offers insights into behavior through a biological lens. The behaviorist approach focuses on learning through conditioning. It is based on the idea that all behavior is learned through interaction with the environment. Behaviorists, such as Watson and Skinner, believed psychology should focus on observable actions, not internal thoughts or feelings. It emphasizes observable behaviors over internal processes. This approach dismisses mental processes as unmeasurable and instead studies stimulus-response patterns to understand and predict behavior scientifically. Classical and operant conditioning are key concepts here. Classical conditioning, Pavlov, is learning through association, while operant conditioning, Skinner, is learning through rewards and punishments. Both explain how behaviors are acquired and maintained. Environmental factors play a significant role in shaping behavior. Behaviorists argue that external stimuli and consequences shape all actions. The role of the environment is seen as more important than biology or internal traits. This approach has practical applications in therapy and education. Behaviorist principles are used in therapies like desensitization and behavior modification, and in education through reinforcement, structured learning, and clear behavioral goals. The psychodynamic approach explores unconscious thoughts and processes. It highlights the impact of early childhood experiences. This perspective emphasizes the interplay of conscious and unconscious forces. Motivation and personality are key areas of focus. It contributes to psychotherapy and behavior therapies. The humanistic approach emphasizes personal growth and self-actualization. It views people as inherently good and driven to achieve their full potential. Figures like Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow emphasized inner growth and self-improvement as central to well-being. It focuses on the uniqueness of each individual. Humanistic psychology rejects one-size-fits-all theories, instead highlighting individual perspectives, choices, and personal experiences as essential to understanding behavior. This perspective highlights the potential for positive growth. It promotes the belief that, given the right conditions, everyone can grow, change, and thrive. Concepts like free will, personal responsibility, and motivation are key. Subjective experiences are central to this approach. Rather than relying on objective measurements, humanistic psychology values how people perceive and interpret their own lives, emphasizing empathy and understanding. It has influenced psychotherapy and counseling practices. Client-centered therapy, developed by Rogers, is a major outcome of this approach. It focuses on creating a supportive, non-judgmental environment to foster personal insight and healing. The cognitive approach centers on mental processes like thinking and memory. Information processing is a key focus. This perspective explores how individuals actively process their environment. It contributes to understanding problem-solving and decision-making. Cognitive therapies have emerged from this approach. The social constructionist approach examines how reality is shaped by social processes. It emphasizes shared meanings and cultural context. Language and discourse are central to this perspective. Knowledge is seen as socially constructed. This approach influences research in identity and cultural psychology. The evolutionary approach explores behavior through the lens of evolution. It emphasizes natural selection and adaptive purposes. This perspective examines how traits have evolved for survival. It offers insights into human universals and mating preferences. The approach influences research in behavioral ecology. This approach is rooted in the belief that behavior has a biological basis. It aligns with neuroscientific evidence on brain and genetics. Understanding the nervous system is key here. It has led to advances in psychopharmacology. The approach underscores the importance of biological factors in psychology. Behaviorism is grounded in the principles of conditioning. It emphasizes observable behaviors that are empirically verifiable. Environmental factors are crucial in shaping behavior. This approach has influenced therapy and education significantly. Reinforcement and punishment are key concepts. The psychodynamic approach focuses on unconscious processes. It highlights the role of early experiences in shaping behavior. Motivation and personality are central themes. This approach has influenced therapeutic practices. Concepts like defense mechanisms remain relevant in psychology. Humanism emphasizes personal growth and self-actualization. It aligns with the belief in positive change and individual potential. Subjective experiences are central to this perspective. It has significantly impacted counseling and therapy. The focus is on the client's subjective experience and self-discovery. The cognitive approach emphasizes mental processes like memory and decision-making. It aligns with cognitive neuroscience advancements. Information processing is a key theme. This approach underpins cognitive behavioral therapy. It influences fields like artificial intelligence. This approach focuses on social processes shaping reality. It emphasizes cultural context and shared meanings. Language and discourse are central. The approach impacts research in identity and cultural psychology. It recognizes the socially constructed nature of knowledge. The evolutionary approach examines behavior through natural selection. It emphasizes adaptive purposes and human universals. This perspective aligns with evolutionary biology principles. It has shaped research in mate selection and human cooperation. The approach offers practical applications in understanding behavior. This approach is supported by neuroscientific evidence. Brain imaging and genetic research reinforce its principles. It has influenced fields like psychopharmacology. Understanding biological factors is crucial in psychology. The approach underscores the biological basis of behavior. The focus on observable behaviors aligns with its principles. Behaviorism is supported by empirical evidence in various contexts. It has influenced therapy and education practices. Reinforcement and punishment remain key concepts. The approach emphasizes environmental factors in shaping behavior. The psychodynamic approach highlights unconscious processes. It highlights the role of early experiences in behavior. Motivation and personality are central themes. This approach has shaped therapeutic practices. Concepts like defense mechanisms are still relevant. Humanism emphasizes personal growth and self-actualization. The focus on subjective experiences is central. This approach has significantly impacted counseling and therapy. It aligns with the belief in positive change and individual potential. The focus is on the client's subjective experience and self-discovery. The cognitive approach is supported by research on memory and information processing. It aligns with advancements in cognitive neuroscience. This approach underpins cognitive behavioral therapy. It influences fields like artificial intelligence. Mental processes are central to understanding behavior. This approach focuses on social processes shaping reality. It emphasizes cultural context and shared meanings. Language and discourse are central. The approach impacts research in identity and cultural psychology. It recognizes the socially constructed nature of knowledge. In conclusion, theoretical approaches in psychology offer diverse insights into human behavior. Each perspective provides unique contributions to understanding the mind. By integrating these approaches, we gain a comprehensive view of psychology. They complement each other in exploring mental processes. Together, they enhance our grasp of the complexities of human psychology. Thank you for your time.